Healthy lunch. Can you count to 10? Hey, can you count to 10?
No, Baba.
No, Baba. Can you count to 10? What are you eating? What are you eating? Is that a French fry? Oh, you don't want that one? Okay.
No.
Okay. You want this one? She's picky about the pointy ends of French fries. She won't eat them if they're pointy.
Oh.
Is that nummy? Chew it up all the way. Wow. You're pretty. Can you sing Mommy a song? Can you sing strong? Yeah! Do it again. What's another part of it? Sing it. What else? Whoa. Can you count to 10?
1, 2, 3.
That was 3. 4. 5. Can you count to 10?
1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, 9, 9, 10.
Yay! Can you say your ABCs?
Done.
Can you sing strong? Sing strong? Chew it up all the way. Chew it up. Chew it up. Do you love your daddy? Do you love Dad? Hey, do you love your daddy? Say, love you, Daddy.
Hello, Daddy.
Can you blow him a kiss? Blow Daddy a kiss.
Bye.
The French fry? Can Mommy have it? You can have it. You eat it. Can I have it? Wait, you can have it. Can I have it? Wait, can I have it? Can I have it? Oh, you can have it. Can I have it? Okay, you can have it. It's okay, sweetheart. Here, you can.
No.
Okay, I'll eat it. Okay, say, love you, Daddy.